Hey everybody, Lance at Phoenix Customs. I went and did a thing. I'm not sure if I told everybody the last video. The 350Z, Snow White, she's gone. Got her up and running, sold her, made a little bit of a profit. And now I've done a thing. This is my new to me 2007 G35 sedan. It's the Journey model, which is a little more luxurious than the base model, but it's not the sport model. But she is, the only thing she needs is an alternator and some sensors. Already ordered those, they're here. I just got her in the driveway this afternoon and trying to make room for her. The guy that sold her to me, I don't have a name for it yet, sorry. Anybody that wants to help come up with a name, let me know in the comments below. The guy that sold it to me, the car's full. We're getting ready to open up the car doors right now, and I'm going to show you. He gave me just boxes and boxes of parts and extra stuff that he had laying around that go with it. So he said, just take all this stuff. If you want to sell it, sell it. If not, throw it away. Obviously you saw that the wheels on here, I don't know if you can tell, are custom. All four almost new tires. There's an actual fifth wheel he's got in the box that's never been even on a tire. It's brand new. Definitely not selling that. I'm going to keep that as an extra just in case I ever break one of these, but just boxes of stuff. Hang on a second, let me show you. Okay, I've got all the doors open. I don't know if those of you that don't know, the G35s and the 350Zs from this era, early 2000s, are notorious for, I've got the door open. If you let it go, they don't stay open. You can fix them, but it's a pain in the you-know-what, and my house, my driveway declines, so it's even worse. So when you hold them open, if you're not careful, you're smacking yourself in the shins. So this is the front passenger seat, the box with the extra rim. Down here we've got some spacers, crush washers for changing oil, an oil filter. What are these? Extra intake hoses. That's just the front seat. I think these are, I don't know what he said these were. I think these are the original coilovers, maybe the original shocks and struts. eBay coilovers and the little top hats that go in the top of the shocks on the front. An extra box of parts down here, and I don't know what that is. Every seat in this car is absolutely perfect except for the driver's seat. And it's seen better days. I mean, is it horrible? No, it's drivable. But trying to find these seats in cream or in whatever color you call this, off-white, is next to impossible. You find them in black all the time, but carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber shifter, the center console's not destroyed, sunroof and the headliner are not destroyed. It does, however, have some, I don't know if this is going to show up on film or not. Clear coat's peeling in a bunch of places on the trunk. And the back tent, I don't know if you can tell, is pretty bad. Needs to be fixed. But the side tent and the eyebrow up here have been done recently. I think they're all at like 5% or something. It looks amazing. She needs an alternator. That's it. And some, like I said, some sensors. The alternator plug has been broken, so I got a new sensor plug, the alternator plug to replace that, and the sensors. It's just a matter of, because this one's, I don't know if y'all remember how low the BMW and the 350 were pretty low. This one's even lower. It scrapes when I come into the driveway. So I'm gonna have to get it up on ramps soon and try to crawl my big behind underneath there. It shouldn't be but an hour or two job. I mean, for somebody that knows what they're doing that has a lift, it's probably a 15-minute job. But, you know, Murphy's Law, stuff's gonna go wrong. But I'm gonna start unpacking the car, getting everything in here. I made some room back here. I got something down here in that red box. It's a BMW lowering springs. I've got the 350Z spark plugs and coil packs. They're used, but they're still in good condition. Got a BMW M5 toolkit I need to sell. What else? Got a bunch of stuff I need to get rid of, but anyway, I made space, so I've got 1, 2.5 shelves of stuff. Let me get it unloaded and I'll make sure what I got. Okay, that was easy. All cleaned out. Not so empty anymore. Springs that go with the eBay coilovers. Air intake tubes, extra ones. Spacers, like I said. The original steering wheel. It's kind of beat up, but you know, maybe 20, 30 bucks. Then the fifth original rim, and I didn't open these. I think that's the original shocks that are still in very good condition. But that's all stuff I can, you know, put on Facebook and try to, you know, get a couple bucks out of it. So she starts and runs because I put a new battery in her. Yeah, why don't y'all take a guess? Drop a comment. Take a guess at what I spent on her. I'll tell you what when I start doing work on her, I'll tell you what my budget is. See if I can get her up and running and street worthy for less than that budget, and see where we go. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon.